Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Cardano. Recently, the price of Cardano dropped at this long-term support of 70 cents. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. That was previously breaking other resistance here. And before that, this 70 cents was breaking other resistance here as well. And therefore, now this time it is flipped into a support after the breakout, by the way. Almost here, it was also breaking other resistance as well. This time we had a long spike to the downside, but the price then could not break it down. And now for the past 3 or 4 weeks, it is struggling to break out this resistance of exponential moving every 21 on the 7 day time frame chart, the EMA 21. Previously, it had been working at a very strong resistance for several months since after the month of April 2024 up till the month of November 2024. Before that, it had been working at a very long-term support. And here, for several months, it had been breaking at a very, very strong resistance. Therefore, again, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that Cardano has also found another down trend line resistance as well. We got stable ejections here, another rejection here, few rejections here, and now it can again break at a strong resistance. By the way, this downtrend line resistance is slightly higher than this next long-term resistance of $1 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, and I've been telling you in those days when it was moving inside this channel that after the breakout from this channel, we can expect a very, very massive parabolic bull run. And you can see that that parabolic bull run has been just started, and so far from this to here, you can see that the price line of Cardano has rallied more than 437%. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Steam, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 3rd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this with the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Cardano. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price line of Cardano is getting rejected by this down trend line resistance. We got few rejections here, another rejection here, a few more rejections here, and now the pricing is dropped down here at this long-term support of 70 cents as well. At the same time, by the way, when we found this resistance, the price line of Cardano also was rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.25 as well. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance of $1.25, then you can see that previously it had been breaking other resistance here, and for a few weeks, it had been breaking as support here and also as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. And right now on this 7 day time frame chart, the price line is moving between this long-term support of 70 cents and this resistance of exponential moving average 21 as well. By the way, this 70 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. Therefore, now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price end breaks out this EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, then soon we may also hit this downtrend line resistance as well. By the way, this time it can hit this downtrend line resistance almost exactly at the same level where we have this long-term resistance of $1. And in case of breaking out these two resistance levels, the imminent move is possible to the next resistance of $1.25. But if the price and breaks down this long-term support of 70 cents, then a big drop is possible up to the next support of 40 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this 40 cents has been previously breaking other resistance here for several weeks and support here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking other resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, this time it can work as a very strong support once again. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very nice parabolic rally. But so far, a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel. That target will be here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.